What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Glitch. On this channel, we will be making some glitch art using just the iPhone and a few apps. My name is Brad, and please hit subscribe, and you can follow along at home. I'm going to be placing the link to this image that we're going to use here by Alex Ibby. That link will be in the description for this video, so you can follow along at home and make your own version of the glitch art of whatever we're about to create right now. And I'll be posting the final image on Instagram at the National Pool. So let's get right into this. So we're going to save this. As always, save and duplicate. What is this doing? Nothing. Okay, here we go. Alright, so saving, duplicating. When I go into photos sometimes, it stops the QuickTime from recording. So we're going to give this a nice square crop. Let's zoom in here. Lots of cool color variations in the hair. The background with the flowers looks really nice as well. I think this is going to be cool. Yeah, so let's keep that. And let's think, what app should we start with? I think we're going to... You know what? I've done a lot of stuff recently with Superimpose, so let's do that. We're going to bring up Cliché. And we're going to go for like a really wild, just over-the-top thing with this. And we're probably going to do that with... you know, let's try LCD. I was going to go to VHS. No. Let's see where VHS is. Okay, VHS. Yeah, I like the background of that. That's pretty cool. Let's see if we can get a little something extra here. That's not bad. Let's go with this. Let's go with that. Alright, so we're going to save this. We're going to load up Superimpose. And the background is going to be the affected image, and the foreground is going to be the plain unaltered image. We're going to double tap transform, and we're going to add a mask here to the background. Oh, that's cool, where it only got a part of it instead of really going all over. I like that. Let's do a little bit more up here, a little bit in the background with the black there. That's cool. Yeah, I like that. So let's do a little bit on the neck and see how that feels. Nope. Nope. Yeah, I think, you know what? Let's just keep this. That's all we're going to keep. Just a nice little slight VHS thing in the background. So let's go back to Cliché. We're going to load this up again. Just kind of, you know, not screen. Just don't quite know which direction we're going to go in yet. Let's check out VHS again. Maybe we can do like some pretty extreme. That's kind of interesting. The black line might be cool. Let's try bend. Again, this whole thing really is trial and error. Let's try mirror. Yeah, mirror's not going to really do it. I think we're going to go into decimate in a moment. But this could work. You know what? Let's save this. And so for her face, what do we do? Background was... Foreground is... the new one? I'm confused here on the mask. We're going to have to restart this. Let's close out the app. I already forgot what the foreground background... I think the background's going to be the affected one. Foreground is our current iteration of this. Okay. And we're going, yeah, that's cool. I don't think we want the shoulders, but her face like that is cool. So we have the tape on her, and then we have some VHS little bits and bobs going on in the background. We're gonna load up Decimate now, and now we're gonna like really get into messing with this. And so everything that Decimate messes with, it's gonna have that little bit of VHS texture, that little bit of tape texture. Some of that is okay on the face. I like the different colors there. We can probably aim for that. Well, the lines might work. Yeah. Let's keep this, and let's bring this back into superimpose. And what is it? The background is what we want to change. Yeah. Let's add a little bit more of the mask, I think, to her. You know what? Let's leave the hair on bottom of the hair unmessed with. No, that's way too much. Okay. Yeah, and we're gonna save this. So with that move right there, we're really just highlighting that tape effect that we did with some of those little lines, you know, and also not going really overboard or anything with that. Light leak could be good. So making glitch art is kind of like this, you know, it's kind of slow when you're doing the random stuff, you know. The first thing that you hit, it's not going to be the one usually. So you just kind of have to just be patient and just keep it going. Okay, so after much trial and error with Decimate and trial and error with Cliché, I haven't really found anything. You know, I think this image might be done. And that's kind of how it goes sometimes. I think this is the second or third one that I've done today. So, you know, possibly my creativity is kind of running out. Which happens, you know. I'm doing my best, trying to make lots of episodes here. And I think that we've really taken this image about as far as I feel like taking it right now. You know, it's not to say that there's not more that could be done, but I think that this is a decent spot here. Let's save this. I think I want to go in a little bit different direction. So let's keep checking out some presets. This one's cool. I like that. Let's go with this one. So this is the final result here. And I'll be posting this on Instagram. And the link to the original image is on the description of this video. And my Instagram is in the description as well. And hit subscribe. And we'll see y'all next time.